Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Kavya. Today, let us know about how to transit career into the data science field from a data scientist himself. And the another most important thing about this data scientist is that he is also one of our previous students. Pragyan, welcome to the interview.
Hey, Kapil.
Hi. So
Thanks for
Pragyan,
having me.
okay, I'm glad you're here. So Pragyan, tell me, how are you keeping up with the pandemic? Are you doing work from home like all of us, or how is it?
Yeah, currently, I'm doing work from home from last 1.5 year, and work is going good. But we can't do anything about it. We face difficulty. Like it is extremely difficult. Sometimes it becomes difficult to collaborate with teams, and it depends on like multiple external factor like internet connectivity issues and all those things. So
Mhm.
overall, it is going great.
Okay. So I've heard that data scientists usually work as a working team. So of course, when you're working from home, you'll not be having a team around you. How is it? Is it difficult or easy?
Sometimes it is difficult. Like we need inputs from various stakeholders, and sometimes in a remote environment, it is difficult to collect all the inputs like in a real time. But uh, but we can't do anything. So it is what it is.
Okay. Okay. So Pragyan, share us about your background, academic background, profession before getting into data science.
Yeah, so I have a bachelor's in information science engineering. I graduated in 2017, and before getting into data science, I was working as a system engineer in one of the IT firms.
Mhm. Mhm. So how did you come across data science? How was your
Yeah.
journey?
So right after my graduation, I went for an interview in Gurgaon. So I stayed with one of my cousins over there at his place, and he was working in analytics field. So I that was my first hand introduction with analytics, and I got to know uh, like how it works and what are the rules, and I was really fascinated with it. And then I came home with my regular job. I started learning from online blogs and videos, but it was in pieces. So after words, I thought that okay, let me uh, join some professional course. And after joining the course provided at skills class, I really it really helped me to connect all the dots and refine my knowledge regarding the analytics domain.
Okay. So you have been the student of Skillslash. So I want to know, how was your experience, overall experience? I want to know. Please share it with us.
So I find the course content extremely useful, and it was a I would say one of the greatest investment of my time that I spent with Skills Labs, and I got to know the things in detail from the scratch to like how it is deployed in the production in real time. So overall, it was a good experience. Instructor over there, they really helped a lot, and they are experienced people from the industry, and they know their like they know what they know their job, like they know what to teach and what is relevant. Like data analytics is a extremely vast course, and uh, it is really difficult to capture all the aspects of it in a small time frame. So yeah.
We are glad to hear that from our students. Okay. So I know that becoming a data scientist is not easy. Even if you are joined to a good course as well. Only to some extent the course the trainers can do, but after that, the major part is from the students. So I want to know, how was your efforts, like your individual contribution, your efforts. Please talk about that.
Yeah, so after doing my coursework, I used to go read like again and again from various resources, from textbook to online coding practices, and it's up to us who has to do the ground work, and then only it would be fruitful. I used to participate in like random hackathons organized by various online platforms such as HackerRank and Kaggle. So it also helped me to implement the concept that I learned during the entire course. Yeah. So we need to do the groundwork. So after going through each live classes, I used to revisit them again and again. And if I have any doubt, I used to post it in the doubts clearing group. There was one WhatsApp group and Telegram group. So we used to post it over there, and the instructor used to clear all our doubts. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, okay, okay. So, Pragyan, tell us three things you found most helpful and useful at Skillslash.
Yeah, so like there are n numbers of features that Skills Slash provide, but the I would rather than three, I will name four of them. So first one is that it's provide with a custom course. Like, so suppose there are multiple career paths. So suppose if someone comes with no prior experience of analytics, they would guide them him or her into a more beginner friendly course that leads to a data analyst role. So suppose someone else, he already has some kind of analytics experience, and he wants to move up the ladder, or so they have a course related to data science scientist role that offer a diverse that requires a diverse skill set than the data analyst one. And suppose if someone has a software development kind of experience, they have a career path related to machine learning engineer. So yeah, and based upon the prior experience, I really like this customization of the career path. The second most useful feature that I found was the 3 years members subscription. So even if someone successfully get transition into a data science role within first say 6 months, they would be able to access and get the continuous support from the skills slash scheme. Yeah, the third one is that they have partnership with various startup where they can get real hands-on experience with a proper certification. And suppose the lastly, if someone wants to do some kind of research work, wants to publish some papers, so they can bring their own project, and the team at Skills Slash generally go far and beyond to help them out.
So, after completing the course, how was your interview experience? How, after you, once you started applying for the role of data science, how was the interview experience? Was it difficult? Was it easy? How was it all?
So during my last job hunt, I gave interview around 10 organization top analytics firms, and I cleared all of them. And somewhere deep down, I really feel that the course content and the capstone project at SkillsLabs were adequate enough to provide me with the answers to almost all the interview questions. So I think that they really helped me a lot to build a strong foundation.
Um, yes. Okay. So, Pragyan, what would be your suggestion for the professionals that are trying to transit their career into the data science field?
So I would suggest them to it is a really vast domain. First of all, they need to figure out what they really want to do, whether it is in image domain or a speech recognition domain or a finance domain. They need to have a targeted approach, and then I see like people enrolling in the uh, 2 years program, like some universities program, and getting a degree, thinking that a degree would be sufficient enough for them to uh, uh, make a transition into analytics field. But I think that the academics lacks the demands that are present in the industry. And I would just suggest that people should join platform like Skills Slash, who regularly update their content to meet the industry demand.
Yes. Okay. So, Pragyan, lastly, this is your last question. So, what do you think is most important, academic certification or relevant project experience?
I think relevant project experience is more important, because And when we go for interview, nobody asks for your degree or your certificates. They will simply ask the question, and if you are able to answer them correctly or adequately, or even if you are close enough, and that is more than sufficient to get you a job. Yeah.
Okay. So lastly, any suggestions for the viewers
Yeah.
and the
So
aspirants?
it is a blunt truth that even if you enroll in any course, say skills slash or anything, any other course, you at the end of the day you would be responsible for the work you do. You need to work hard. You need to, along with the course curriculum, you need to go beyond and solve all the assignments. If you have doubt, you need to speak out your mind to the instructor, like you are not getting this concept, and you need to have a clear picture of what you really want to do.
Yes, yes. I'm sure that everyone that will be watching this video, this interview of yours, will be having a proper, clear idea of how to transit their career and to how to efficiently become a data scientist. Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Yeah, cool. Thank you.